So the third pillar of Purna Yoga is applied philosophy. Because you can study a lot of philosophy, but what do you do with all that knowledge? So we try to take that, what we can use for our everyday life, and then live by it. So just to give you an example, for me personally, I started to just feel more grateful for things. And that is really part of the yoga philosophy, that we can feel something which is in Sanskrit called santosha. I'm grateful for the things I have. But there are also practical things which you can use the applied philosophy on your everyday life. So Natasha, what do you think? How have you been using your self-study or your svadhyaya in your everyday life?
Yes, so for example, in case you meet a challenging situation, you feel like reacting very fast, and in those moments it's always good to pause for a while and then just take a few breaths in and out, and take time and react then consciously and kind of peacefully. And in a way, as you mentioned, gratitude, you can take every challenge that comes into your life with gratitude, and it turns upside down, and it starts to feel really, really different.
Yeah, that's a very beautiful thing, because really, if we look at the challenges in life and instead of judging them, we are grateful for them. It makes a whole world of a difference. So this is just a very simple example of how we can use applied philosophy in our daily lives.